live show. Today, in our live show, we want to introduce one type of our beautiful CNC press brake. This kind of CNC press brake is our top loader CNC press brake. Our Rongwin have 6 series CNC press brake. Today, in our live show, this beautiful and fashion design machine, just like European design machines. In our live show today, so we want to introduce the advantage of this kind of CNC press brake and this machine design advantage. Also, at last, we want to show you this machine working speed compared with other kind of CNC press brake. Which kind of advantage of speed of this machine compared with normally kind of CNC press brake. For our Rongwin, we have 3 series CNC press brake. This is our traditional design CNC press brake. It's normal. It's our traditional kinds of CNC press brake. Normal hydraulic pumper connect with the main motor. Now, this kind of design, the main advantage is can save energy and save the power. Because we changed the normal bigger motor to the soft motor. Instead of the bigger oil tanker, we use this kind of small oil tanker, and the both side of the hydraulic cylinder. This is the principle of this machine design. Usually, compared with other kind of CNC press brake, usually we use the CNC controller give the signal to the electro-hydraulic servo driver. Servo driver to control the hydraulic motor. Hydraulic motor connect with the valve and the oil tanker. Then we control the movement of the hydraulic both sides cylinder, so that this kind of machine slide working at the same time. Also, this machine is very small noise, and the speed is very fast. This is the main advantage of this machine. Now let's see our beautiful and humanized design of this machine. You know, our Rongwin make machine according to custom requirements. For this kind of CNC press brake, just like our before small CNC press brake live show design. Maybe nowadays our friends want a very fashion and convenient machines. So our engineer make some different structure design. Let me show you. Because nowadays lots of customers say maybe their workshop is very small. So our engineer make two designs, just like here. Usually this safe guide maybe is open and the both sides. But now we make the design like this, so that it's very convenient to move, and also can save lots of time. According to custom this kind of requirement, we also have another design. We also make our safe guide. Our traditional design maybe this backside safe guide is we open like this, or we use the movement. Now we want to make this new and fashion automatic door. Now we show you. This is our automatic door. This is mainly requirement for our custom. They say to save for big machine design. You know, some days before in our live show, we show you one very small machines design, structure design. But for our big machine, how we save the machine space for our custom? So we make this kind of two custom line design. One is this is safe guide, and the other is this automatic backside door. So if you have any requirement for the press brake, just tell us. Our Rongwin promise can make or design the machine according to custom requirement. Just now we will introduce two advantages. Now we also wanted to introduce this kind of front support. This kind of front, compare with others, we use double guide. This is Lila guide. This is Lila guide. In order to we keep this front spot stable, we use this kind of gear guide to keep it move smoothly. Also, this kind of can up and down adjust. This is our front spotter design structure. This is our current design. This kind of current design is not the Lila guide is in both sides. On both sides. That's why we make this kind of design, because this kind of movement is more stable and very high accuracy. This is our very strong backgate current design. This is four axis CNC press brake. So the stop finger Z axis is made by manual, but we still use this kind of structure design. Give you another introduce about this back gauge current compared with other traditional CNC press brake. For this kind of usually maybe this back gauge current at the that side at the bottom of the die, but now we make a design like this. There is three advantages. The most advantage is if the same machine model, the same slide wise, this kind of design can guarantee our x-axis stroke is more bigger. Maybe normally for this is our 100. This is our 100 thumb press brake. Normally our back gauge may be around 500 millimeter, but this kind of design can guarantee more bigger stroke range, x-axis stroke range. Also, according to our experience, if we bend some metal parts, maybe some metal parts is very longer. So maybe the metal parts, if we put this crank at this side, maybe the metal parts will block. This crank maybe will block the metal parts. So our engineer make the crank design at this side to avoid blocker the metal parts. This is also our another humanized design. Also our this kind of backgate crank design is very strong and very stable to keep the x-axis move very stable. This is our inside of the press brake. This is our door, this back door. Now we want at the top, at the side, back side of the introduce of this machine structure, and the both side there is two small oil checker and hydraulic source. This collector with the hydraulic cylinder. This is our professional design of slide guide. Compared with others slide guide, maybe we use compared with others such as this kind of this kind of slide design is also very customized and very stable design. Compared with this kind of slide guide design, this kind of design use roller guide design. This metal parts we use for heat treatment, and we use a roller guide to keep it's easy to maintain without the nutrition oil. This slide guide also can move very smooth. This is also our special design. Compared here, we want to make the machines very beautiful. This is our electrical cabinet. We maybe you have some other tools. Our engineer make both sides with the same electrical cabinet. It's for beautiful design. Also, you can put some small tools here. This is very fashion and customized design, right? This is the faster down speed. This kind of machine faster speed, we can guarantee the maximum is 250. This is working faster down. Working speed around 20 millimeter, and return working and return speed. This machine can guarantee 200 millimeter the speed. This is speed. Okay, now just now we show you the machine automatic working test machine speed. Now we want to show you how to bend this metal sheet. If we change the machine working styles, we should stop the oil pumper and restart the machine. Now, just now the machine is check the reference point so that we can bend it. How we bend this metal? In our programs, we already have this program. So now we want to bend this metal parts. We use 3 steps. The first step, we should bend in the 90 degree. Is the x-axis back is 660. The second step, we should bend in 120 degree. The back gauge is 70. And the third step is we bend in this 90 degree. The back gauge wide is 110. Okay, now let's start. Let's start to bend in this metal parts. Now we bend in the first step. This is very fast down, working speed, the first step bending. And now we start the second step bending. Look, this machine is very small noise and very fast speed. This is the third time bending speed. Okay, now we finish this metal part bending. We finish this metal pad bending. It's perfect bending, right? Ừm, 90 degree. Yeah, this is the last step bending is 90 degree. Okay. Okay, and last we want to give you some introduce about this machine controller. This controller is our Switzerland Silver CT12 controller. We also can have other controller choice. For this machine, we have, if you want just like this metal parts, we have two kinds of design in controller like this. Also, we can also we have 2 steps. We also can make 2D drawing programs. We have 2 kinds of design. English. Now we change this machine to English. Okay, the machine is to the English. So we also show you how to design this in the controller. We have 3 steps. The first step is first we should choose the right material. Right material is steel and the thickness of metal sheet. Choose the characters, punch and die. Usually our die choice is 8 times of the metal thickness, this choice. And we design this metal part step by step in controller. The first step we bending 90 degree, the bending angle and the x-axis is 60. This is the first step. And the second step is 120 degree. The x-axis 70 degree. The third step is we bending this. This is 90 degree and the x-axis 110. So we can start to bending this metal part. If you have any question or requirement for the press brakes, please feel free to contact with us. Our other sales team will contact with you. Thank you.